ये न्यूज वीडियो नहीं है बट स्टिल मैंने कोट पहना है ताकि मुझे सच में कोट ना जाना पड़े, एज दिस मे हेल्प मी इन नॉट यूजिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ डेफेमेटरी लैंग्वेज। वो बात और है कि मैं ये पहन के फेक न्यूज फैला सकता हूँ। दैट्स लाइफ, एवरीथिंग हैज इट्स प्रोज एंड कॉन्स। एनीवेज, देयर इज अ न्यू कंट्रोवर्सी इन द यूट्यूब स्पेस। Anyways, there's a new controversy in the YouTube space, or I should say, a news controversy. See what I did there? Correct. So there is a new controversy between YouTubers and a news agency called ANI. I hope उनका नाम लेने पे मेरे पे copyright strike ना आ जाए. I hope you know about it, but if you don't, let me fill you in. हमेशा I say let me fill you in. I should use a better term, है ना? मैं बताता हूँ तुम्हें. I'll tell you. So there is a YouTuber called Mohak Mangal who uploads YouTube videos. Yeah, there is a YouTuber who uploads YouTube videos. Sorry. So there is a YouTuber called Mohak Mangal who uploads videos regarding history, culture, current events, politics. Basically Dhruv Rathi if he was living in India. अगर तुम्हें मोहक का चैनल ढूंढना है तो तुम YouTube पे सीधा जाके ध्रुव के चैनल से राइट ले लेना।
अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है तो बड़े अफसोस की बात है, मुझे कहना पड़ रहा है कि आपका ब्रेन वॉश हो चुका है।
मुझे ऐसे पता because I have been watching his videos for years now. So the news agency, this time it's personal. So Mohak recently uploaded a YouTube video regarding the copyright strikes he got from a news agency called ANI, or I should call them ANE, Asian News Extreme. So Mohak said in that video, which is deleted by the way, that he got 2 copyright strikes from the news agency.
कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक किसने भेजी? ANI ने।
The first strike he got was for using an 11-second clip in his Kolkata kiss video, and the second strike he got was for using a 9-second clip in his Operation Sindoor video. So सारी बात 20 सेकंड की है, which to be fair in my opinion is quite a long time. Just saying, 20 seconds is quite a long time. In that video, he said after those strikes, he found out that apparently this has been happening with other YouTubers, and the news agency is giving penalties or asking for subscription for using their clips.
उसी समय मुझे एक आर्टिकल के बारे में पता चला जहां ये लिखा हुआ है कि ANI ये चीज कई और यूट्यूबर्स के साथ कर रहा है और उनसे 15-20 लाख रुपए मांग रहा है ये स्ट्राइक्स हटवाने के लिए।
To be fair, I didn't know about it either. And to be fair, I don't even use their clips. I hope so. And even if I have used their clips, I'm a 65 subscriber channel. Come on. मेरे को क्यों ही टारगेट करेंगे? I hope so. I will try to refrain myself from making this a disparaging video. I hope so. I'll try. So after those 2 strikes, Mohak tried to contact the news agency people, because if you get 3 strikes, then your channel gets deleted and you can't even make a new channel. Or I should say a news channel. Again, I used it again. And then Mohak got the contact details from another YouTuber who had already paid 18 lakhs plus GST for using the agency's clips in his videos. After the initial contact, Mohak received a mail asking 48 lakhs plus GST for the removal of strikes. The amount was described as a penalty for using agency's clips and also a subscription of 1 year for using in his further or future videos. After this, Mohak's team member tried to have a conversation with agency's employee over a call, and the news agency employee told them कि अभी तो 2 strikes आई हैं, 6 और आएंगी, total 8 strikes डाली हैं उन्होंने. So Mohak needs to pay the money or his channel will be deleted forever.
इनको पता है कि अभी बस 2 स्ट्राइक्स आई हैं तो मैं इतना डेस्परेट नहीं हूँ। एक बार 3 स्ट्राइक आ जाएंगी ना और चैनल डिलीट हो जाएगा तब ये डेस्परेट होगा। इसलिए वो चाहते हैं कि डे बाय डे नेगोशिएशन एक्सटेंड होती रहे। एक बार चैनल डिलीट हो गया तो मैं जो भी नंबर बोलूंगा वो मान जाएंगे। पर बेचारे को पता नहीं वो किससे बात कर रहा है। यूएस की एक पॉलिसी है दैट दे डोंट नेगोशिएट विद किडनैपर्स, एटलीस्ट ऑफिशियली ये पॉलिसी है, एंड आई फील दैट इज माय पॉलिसी आल्सो। डिलीट करना है ना चैनल, कर दो।
Bro has 4.2 million subscribers but has the guts of a 65 subscriber channel. मैं होता, मैं भी यही कहता, जो करना कर लो, उड़ा दो मेरा चैनल. I will not negotiate. अरे मैं तो सब्जी लेने जाता हूँ तब नेगोशिएट नहीं करता. तुम क्या हो? कौन हो तुम? Anyways, Mohawk said that he will not negotiate, but he let his team member talk to the news agency employee.
मैंने अजीज को बोला कि मैं उनको चवन्नी भी नहीं दूंगा, पर तू उनसे बात कर।
So after a couple of calls with the news agency employee, the final number he quoted was 40 lakhs plus GST for 2-year subscription, or Mohawk can pay 30 lakhs plus GST for 1-year subscription. GST नहीं छोड़ते ना, ये ANI है कि FMI है?
I'm not used to it. I don't even know that word. What are you throwing it at me?
बट वैसे बाय द वे ये न्यूज कंटेंट बेच रहे हो कि छोले भटूरे बेच रहे हो कि फुल प्लेट 120 की, हाफ प्लेट 70 की? Then Mohawk's team member asked for the breakdown of the amount that he quoted.
I wanted to understand what was the breakdown of that 45 lakh.
See, if I'll give you the complete breakdown, then I'm not going to fair negotiate then. I told you now, 4-5 lakhs per month is charges for the subscription. Penalty is different. We have tried some 7-8 videos. If you consider that one, then 5 40 is the penalty. And subscription is different. Now tell me that.
इसका आंसर 40 lakhs था. ये स्टेप्स मैटर नहीं करते कैसे करके ये 40 lakhs पहुंचे.
रास्ते की परवाह करूंगा तो मंजिल बुरा मान जाएगी.
Even if he had given 4 strikes and even if Mohawk had 4 strikes, he would have said that, sir, 4 danger 40, sir. Kerala, sir.
100% literacy, sir.
That was bad. Sorry. Mohawk's team also raised a point about the music companies, that how they don't even charge that kind of money even if you use their music videos.
मेरे टीम मेंबर ने कहा कि टी सीरीज का अगर आप गाना यूज करते हो तो टी सीरीज बस उस वीडियो का रेवेन्यू ले लेता है। ये नहीं कि हमारा सब्सक्रिप्शन लो आप 1 करोड़ का, ऐसा नहीं चलता। ये एएनआई वाला बंदा बोलता कि हमारा बिजनेस मॉडल अलग है, हम वो फॉलो नहीं करते।
Even the music industry is not that harsh. If you use their music even for few seconds, they just copyright claim your videos, which means they only take the revenue of the video itself. They don't ask for random money. Personally, I used to think these music companies were little too much, but after this,
I don't understand. I'm so sorry. I wish I could do something, but I can't. I don't know what to do.
I used to think कि media houses कितना ही low जा सकते हैं, but this year every media house is like, hold my mic.
I am sorry, Babu.
After Mohawk's video, there were other YouTubers who also came forward. They asked 15 lakhs from Thagesh for using a 2-second clip, 18 lakhs from Rajat, and 21 lakhs from Parush, which shows us the problem कि Thagesh और Rajat से कम क्यों लिए? उनसे तो ज़्यादा लेने थे. But anyways, after Mohawk's video, the news agency filed a defamation case against Mohawk and Kamra and Mohammad Zubair for 2.1 crores. Why Kamra? Because he and Zubair shared the link of Mohawk's video on their social media and also added certain nouns which were a little too strong. So this was the whole debacle. This case is now in court and I will not make any kind of comment because this is the only court I want to be in. So I will not make any kind of comment regarding the case. But I can talk about what news agency did to YouTubers. And to say the least, it was and is quite problematic. The problematic part is that they are asking for different amounts from different people, or different YouTubers, I should say. If it is any kind of subscription, why it is a different amount for different people? It should be a consistent standard amount for everybody. They have every right to ask money for using their content. It's what they do, it's their business model. It takes resources to create content, even if it's as minuscule as mine. I totally get that. But why the disparity with the charges? They could have given warning to the creators for using their clips, but they put creators in a tough position and leverage their position by giving multiple copyright strikes. This whole fiasco has shown that both YouTube and Indian copyright law needs to be changed, and especially a better understanding of the term called fair use. What is fair use? How much is too much? As some creators cannot even use a 9-second clip, and there are other so-called agencies. They can put their own logo on anybody else's content and call it their own and have their own copyright on it. This is monopolization of the news. And if the court favors the news agency and the government doesn't make any kind of law for fair use or much favorable law for fair use for creators and other people, so they can use certain amount of clips of certain channels and they are okay with the status quo, well, I guess then कहीं तो उराटी का वीडियो सही ना हो जाए. Okay, sorry, bye.